In this video, we reveal the top 4 best building block DIY toys for 2025, perfect for tech lovers, model builders, and creative minds. These aren't generic toys. They're high-detail kits you can actually assemble at home. Every product is linked below, so let's jump in and find your next DIY obsession. Number 4. UCS Snowfighter Battle Fighte. This is the UCS Snowfighter Battle Fighter, a custom-built masterpiece for fans of space-themed model kits and brick-building enthusiasts. With 1,006 precisely molded pieces, this set delivers an immersive and satisfying build experience that rivals premium collectible sets. The design captures the essence of a high-performance snow battle fighter, complete with dual cockpits, angular wings, and detailed rear thrusters. Inspired by legendary models like 75,144, 10,129, and 21,802, this is a perfect addition for collectors who appreciate the Ultimate Collector series. Look without paying collector-level prices. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, each piece is durable, non-toxic, and fully compatible with LEGO-style systems. Whether you are building solo or gifting this to a sci-fi fan, the model assembles to an impressive 35 centimeters in length. The intermediate to advanced difficulty level ensures a rewarding challenge, guided by a step-by-step instruction manual. What makes this model shine is its display appeal. It holds its own next to premium UCS builds, yet it comes at a fraction of the cost. And with secure packaging options box or eco-friendly bag, it is also gift-ready for Easter, Valentine's Day, birthdays, or just to surprise a fellow builder. Recommended for builders aged 8 and older, this Snowfighter Battle Fighter is more than a toy. It is a standout piece for any collection. Looking for your next showpiece? This might just be it. Number 3. Iosn TX6 RC Power Robot Dog. The RC Power Robot Dog, a motorized building block set made up of 936 pieces, inspired by the iconic Boston Dynamics Alpha Dog. Designed for robotics enthusiasts, tech hobbyists, and STEM learners, this model brings mechanical motion and intelligent design into your hands. The build features a 4-legged robotic dog, complete with articulated limbs, servo-driven joints, and realistic movement simulation. Once assembled, the gear-driven leg system allows it to simulate walking motion, balancing its structure for fluid, lifelike movement. It includes a motor unit and remote control module, with some versions offering programmable movement options. This allows for interactive play or educational experimentation. The full model reaches approximately 30 to 35 centimeters in length, offering an impressive presence on display or in motion. Each of the 936 blocks is made from high-grade ABS plastic, non-toxic, durable, and fully compatible with LEGO-style systems. The assembly level is intermediate to advanced and comes with a step-by-step instruction manual to guide the process. Whether you are gifting this for a birthday, Christmas, or adding it to your own tech collection, the RC Robot Dog is a standout choice. Packaging options include a secure box or eco-friendly bag, depending on the seller. Recommended for ages 8 and older, this robot dog is more than a toy. It is a fusion of engineering, creativity, and fun. An ideal set for those eager to explore robotics in a hands-on, engaging way. Number 2. Multi-Axis Programmable Robotic Arm. This is the original multi-axis robotic arm, a programmable STEM building block, set designed for hands-on learning and technical exploration. With approximately 784 to 800 pieces, this model offers a rewarding build experience for students, educators, and robotics enthusiasts alike. The robotic arm features a fully articulated design, including a rotating base, multi-jointed elbow, and a functional gripper claw. It simulates real industrial robotic arm motion, offering multiple degrees of freedom and highly realistic movement. Once built, the robotic arm can be controlled through a smartphone application or a remote control module. It also supports basic coding functions, making it an excellent educational tool for understanding automation and programming concepts. Constructed from high-quality ABS plastic, the parts are non-toxic, durable, and fully compatible with LEGO-style systems. The kit is recommended for builders aged 8 years and older and includes a detailed instruction manual for intermediate to advanced assembly levels. When fully assembled, the arm stands approximately 25 to 30 centimeters tall. It includes a motorized drive system and a battery compartment check with the seller for battery availability. Packaged securely in a box or eco-friendly bag, depending on the seller, this set makes an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion that calls for something innovative and educational. Perfect for classroom use, personal learning, or tech showcases, the multi-axis robotic arm delivers an engaging experience that combines creativity, mechanics, and programmable technology. Number 1. SDF1 Macross Building Blocks. The SDF1 Macross Building Block Set is an incredible model featuring 58,144 pieces, making it one of the largest anime-themed MOC sets available. This expert-level build recreates the legendary SDF-1 Macross spacecraft, a central icon in the anime universe. The design includes highly detailed modular sections, weapon bays, and articulated components, capturing the essence of the original starship. When fully assembled, the model spans over 1 meter in length, offering a stunning display piece for collectors and fans alike. Each piece is made from premium ABS plastic, which is non-toxic and precision, molded to ensure a tight fit and long-lasting durability. Due to its complexity and the sheer number of pieces, this set is recommended for experienced builders aged 14 and above. The SDF-1 Macross set ships securely, either in a sturdy box or an eco-friendly bag, depending on the seller's option. It is perfect for desktop decoration, anime-themed collections, or collector showcases. Ideal as a Christmas or birthday gift for anime enthusiasts, this set offers a deeply immersive building experience that blends nostalgia with intricate engineering. Whether you are a dedicated fan or a serious builder, the SDF-1 Macross Building Blocks set delivers exceptional scale, style, and storytelling in one spectacular model. There you have it, 5 incredible DIY building sets you can buy and build today. Want one? Links are right below. Choose Amazon or AliExpress, whatever suits you best. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative tech kits, gift ideas, and DIY toy breakdowns. Until next time, keep building what you love.